Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix WWE 2K25 Netflix edition app not working, not opening, not starting or force closing problem on Android phone. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your Android device, and once your phone get restarted then you can launch the WWE 2K25 game and check if your problem is solved or not. Second solution is to check for WWE 2K25 Netflix edition app updates. So open Play Store, tap on search for WWE 2K25 Netflix edition, and if you find any update for this app then update it and then you can launch the game and check. Third solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi then switch to mobile data and then launch the game and check. If you are connected to mobile data then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. If possible then try to connect to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check WWE 2K25 Netflix edition app is working or not. Now fix 4 is to force close or force stop WWE 2K25 Netflix edition app. So tap and hold WWE 2K25 app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and then click on force stop and then you can launch the game and check. If it's still not working then clear the cache of WWE 2K25 app. So tap and hold the WWE 2K25 app icon, then click on app info, then click on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it, and then you can launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, again tap on software update, and then if there are any updates available for your device then update it and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if still your problem is not solved then connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it. Now you can install any VPN from your Play Store such as Norton 360, Proton VPN, Surf VPN, NordVPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN, BPass VPN. So you can install any VPN from the Play Store of your choice and then launch the VPN app and select a different location than your current location and then launch WWE 2K25 Netflix edition app and check if your problem is solved or not. If you are already connected to a VPN then disconnect it and then check. Now if none of the solution work for you in your case then the last solution is to reinstall WWE 2K25 Netflix edition app. So tap and hold WWE 2K25 app, then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall to confirm and then restart your Android device and then open Play Store, search for WWE 2K25 Netflix edition app and install it and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix WWE 2K25 Netflix edition app not working, not starting, not opening or force closing problem on Android phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.